Hi everyone, Shaq here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review the Tribit Stormbox Flow, a portable Bluetooth speaker that promises to deliver good sound, long battery life and rugged design. And to start the review, let's have a look at what you get inside the box. In the box we find the USB-C to USB-C cable, the manual and instructions, and of course the main speaker. So the Tribit Stormbox Flow is a rectangular speaker with tapered sides and a slightly rounded back. It measures 7.9 by 3.6 by 2.1 inches and weighs about 1.5 pounds, so it's easy to carry. It has a black plastic case with perforation in the front and back so the sound can get out. It also has a cord attached to the side for easy carrying. I have taken the front grille out so you can have a quick look at the drivers and passive radiators. When I removed the grille from the front, I could see that the speaker is still IP rated here on the edges. The main driver here, which is a full driver, is held by 4 screws, and it will also have some IP waterproofing silicone glue to hold it together. There are a lot of screws here holding the front part of the speaker, and here on the left we can see the passive radiator. As you can see, when I push it, the driver moves forward. There is also a chamber here for the passive radiator. Here on the left we can see the microphone for taking phone calls. The speaker has 7 buttons on the top: the power button, the Bluetooth button, volume down, the play, pause, skip and rewind, the volume up, the EQ button for the X bass, and a button for adding extra speakers. The X bass button activates Tribit's proprietary technology that boosts the bass by 9 decibels. You can also use the Tribit app to customize the sound with different EQ modes. The speaker has a USB-C port for charging and a microphone for hands-free calls. The speaker supports Bluetooth 5.3, which means it has a stable and fast connection up to 100 feet away from your device. You can also pair 2 speakers together for stereo or party mode. The speaker is IP67 rated, which means it can withstand water, dust and drops. You can take it to the beach, pool or camping without worrying about damaging it. And here is a demo of the speaker outdoor. The sound quality of the Tribit Stormbox Flow is impressive for its size and price. It delivers clear vocals, balanced mids and decent highs. And here is a sound demo with different genres of music.
Rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that? I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination, everybody gets the best of me. something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping out.
The battery life of the Stormbox Flow is one of its best features. It can play for up to 30 hours on a single charge with X-Bass off, or 24 hours with X-Bass on. That's more than enough for a whole day of music. It also has a fast charging feature that can give you 4 hours of playtime in just 15 minutes. You can also use the speaker as a power bank to charge your phone or other devices. Now for the conclusion. The Tribit Stormbox Flow is a great portable speaker for anyone who wants good sound, long battery life and rock design. For $79 or £65, you can get a lot of value for your money. You can buy it from the Tribit website or Amazon. I have put in the links in the description for easier access. That's it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye!